Alright, so we bought this cool shoe container deal from Ikea, where I thought it was cool, liked the idea. But inside, this thing originally had this really short, stubby, wide-threaded wood screw type deal that went down inside that white piece. This washer is holding the cap of this machine screw out. But that little one went inside there and into this guy, which is this crappy particle press board, the really low density stuff. And so the use moved it around and eventually just tore it out, and these things weren't holding for anything. So I went to Home Depot and I got these guys, and my apologies, I don't know the exact sizes, but when you get there, there's like only two styles of these. This is recessed into the wood a little bit, and it's drilled out so you can throw an Allen wrench in there, but it's threaded for that machine screw there, which was a I do remember that, hexed head, and really you can do whatever you want there, but these just looked so nice on the unit. They made perfect sense, they matched, and now with that washer in there, I've got a really snug connection that's compressing the wood against that white piece, against the washer, so that the drawer is hanging on an axle, basically. It's not pulling down and wiggling stuff around, so this ought to just about last forever now. And it took care of the play so that all the nice little snappy functions that are built into that rail do what they're supposed to do. Things don't, just slide around. It's made it good and solid.